Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook plantain porridge. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 plantains, either ripe for a sweeter taste or unripe for a more savory dish. We'll also use 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar or your preferred sweetener, and a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg for warmth. Don't forget a dash of salt to balance the flavors. Now let's get those plantains ready. Begin by carefully peeling your plantains. If they're ripe, the skin will come off easily. For unripe plantains, you might need a knife to help. Once peeled, slice each plantain into uniform 1-inch thick rounds. This ensures even cooking. If you're using unripe plantains and prefer a less starchy texture, you can soak them in cold water for about 10 minutes before cooking. It's time to cook. In a medium-sized pot, combine your sliced plantains with 1 can of coconut milk and about 2 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Stir frequently, every 2 to 3 minutes, to prevent sticking. Continue cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the plantains are fork tender and the porridge has thickened to your desired consistency. Almost there. Once your porridge has reached the perfect consistency, remove it from the heat. Now, stir in your 1/4 cup of brown sugar or other sweetener, along with the pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. Taste and adjust sweetness and spices to your liking. If you prefer a thinner porridge, add a little more water or milk. Serve your delicious plantain porridge warm, perhaps garnished with fresh berries or chopped nuts for extra texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.